My name is Janice Liou, and I teach yoga and movement in New Jersey, but also all over the world. A lot of that is here in Asia. I love the city of Taipei, especially because this is where I found yoga. I first found yoga at the age of 17, and it was a very confusing time for me where I was struggling a lot with my own body image and just a lot of anger issues. I was going through anorexia at the time, and my doctor had told me to try yoga. Yoga disconnected me from wanting to have a certain look or a certain body image altogether, and I was able to connect to a whole nother self of me, an inner self. When you step back onto your mat, it grounds you. You're able to take a moment to pause everything that's going on and to refocus yourself. And through that connecting and that grounding, you discover something new, a new step, or just something new within yourself. And every time I come back to Taipei, I feel a reminder of that first time that I discovered something like that. And it's something I hope to share with everyone just by traveling and sharing my travels. A lot of what I do now, I stumbled into without any intention of ever doing it. Once I finished teacher training and I was connecting with the students, it was like a light switch that clicked. It was all I ever wanted to do. And to this day, my passion with yoga lies in teaching and connecting with others, and also connecting with myself. I'm very fortunate that I get to teach all over the world, and with every culture, every student, every individual, it's a different experience, and it's really where I think the heart of yoga lies, is in connection.